How to get rid of pimples quickly. Everyone occasionally develops a large, red pimple on their face, but that doesn't mean you have to accept defeat and wait patiently for the spot to disappear. Find out how to get rid of pimples quickly in the next 2 minutes. Please consider subscribing and liking this video. 1. Putting ice on the pimple. Applying ice is the first step in soothing a raging, uncomfortable pimple. For 4 to 5 minutes at a time, place some ice against the inflamed area while it is wrapped in a cloth. If the ice melts too soon, throw a few cubes in a plastic sandwich bag before wrapping them in cloth. Repeat this a few times all day long to calm the skin and reduce swelling. 2. Apply an aspirin paste on the pimple. Salicylic acid, a component of aspirin, is incredibly good at removing excess oil and dead skin. 1 or 2 aspirin tablets should be crushed, and a few drops of water should be added to create a paste. After that, apply the paste directly to the pimple. This should minimize the pimple's pain and reduce swelling and redness. After applying the paste for 10 to 20 minutes, properly rinse your hands with warm water. 3. Apply aloe vera moisturizer. A tropical plant called aloe vera has leaves that secrete a transparent gel. Aloe vera gel has been demonstrated to support wound healing, reduce inflammation, and kill infection when applied to the skin. As a result, it's a popular remedy for a number of skin issues, such as psoriasis, rashes, wounds, and burns. 4. Don't put your hands near your face. According to all dermatologists, you should never, ever pick at a pimple. We emphasize again, don't pick at your pimple. 5. Apply toothpaste. Traditionally, triclosan, an antibacterial agent found in toothpaste, was believed to help reduce the number of bacteria that cause pimples in order to soothe inflammation and heal pimples. 6. Use a hot compress. If you notice a pimple developing, a board-certified dermatologist says that applying heat to your skin is a really easy way to relieve it. Use steam or a warm compress to raise everything to the surface. You can also apply a cold compress to reduce the swelling of a particularly large, uncomfortable sore. 7. Regularly wash your face. A formula for clogged pores and pimples can be created when that oil is mixed with pollution, makeup, and dust. Washing your face twice a day is highly recommended. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos by subscribing to this channel.